Everyone. Today we are looking at 461 to 465. This is in Ovid's account of the story of Daphne and Apollo. And we are, in these first two lines we're looking at today, finishing up Apollo's very arrogant, very brash, very patronizing response to Cupid. And then we're going to get the start of, or actually Cupid's response before he hits Apollo with a love arrow, and then hits Daphne with a dispelling hate arrow, if you will. So here we go. Let's look at 461. We have 2, and 2 here is paired with esto contentus, which is the very rare future imperative. And he's saying, hey, you, be content. Be content. And we're going to take that infinitive here, irritare, with this future imperative. Be content to stir up or provoke or arouse. And then we're going to look at nescio quos amores. Now, in Latin, we're used to adjectives and paired with their nouns. We're used to even maybe aliquos, the indefinite. But here we have kind of the ultimate indefinite, and there's a tone issue here as well. And what we're saying is, hey, you, be content to stir up not just lovers or maybe love affairs, not just some love affairs, but some love affairs. I don't know what. Nescio quos amores. In fact, some editions have nescio quos all as one word there. So to stir up some love affairs, I don't know what. Very dismissive. And be content to stir up some love affairs or some lovers, I don't know what or I don't know who, face tua, with your torch. Nec asseres. So here we have another infinitive, just like we had with irritare, and so we're going to assume that esto contentus again. Be content to, and we have a neck, right? So don't be content to lay claim to our praises, right? Our source of praise. My, of course, the royal plural there being used by the god to don't be content to lay claim to our praises. Well, Filius Veneris, the son of Venus, and then huic there is that dative, right? Like ili or ae, all of those demonstrative pronouns, adjectives, all of those unus nauta that have the dative with the I there. So the son of Venus, Cupid, to this one. Now we assume a says here, and we get it down here at ite in the next line, but says, hey Phoebus, hey Apollo. Now we've got the verb here first, then we've got the adjective of the subject, then we've got the direct object. So we have a lot here that's missing and held over in an enjambment to the next line. So let's put all of this together. Tuus arcus, your bow. Figat omnia. Now figat here is a third conjugation verb, and this a tells us that it is present subjunctive, and it's the main verb. So we're going to say may stick, may fix, may pierce everything. But meus arcus, you. So we're going to assume that figat again. So first, your bow may pierce everything, or perhaps let your bow pierce everything, all things, Apollo. But my bow, may my bow pierce te, pierce you. So we have a really wonderful kind of parallel structure there, all mixed together, very sophisticated. And then we have quanto tanto here as the correlative, and we're gonna the grammatical classification here is an ablative of degree of difference. But what we're going to say is by as much as something happens, well, so much, by that much, something else happens. Okay, so we're correlating these two ideas here, the anomalia cum te Deo and the minoris tua gloria nostra. So by as much as anomalia cuncta, as all animals yield to a god, well, by that much, now we have minor as well. So by that much less is your glory to a Gloria. And then we have an ablative of comparison than our. Now we assume our glory.